Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I wanted to share with you how to paint space hair in 3 easy steps. You can vary it however you like, and I use Procreate program, but you can use any program for this project. Step 1. Create a sketch. Draw a portrait with the face or without the face, just the hair, long or short, however you like. The sway of the hair, it doesn't matter. I decided to use a drawing of a portrait for this project. I did use a reference because portraits are very challenging and it takes many long practice hours to get the face right, so this one didn't turn out perfect in my side, but it was great for this practice. Once I created a sketch, I just worked out on the details, the hair, the face, her shoulders, just to make it right. Step 2. Color in your drawing. I just used basic flat colors just to create a tone that I would like for my overall drawing. I decided to choose a combination of several different colors. It's difference of blue, dark violet, reds, pinks, blues, and just then I used the blur tool to blur those colors in together to mix them and create a space-like look. You can use absolutely any combination of the colors for this part. It could even be yellow and green and pink. It would be actually pretty cool to experiment with some crazy rainbow colors just to see how it's gonna look, because it's still possible to create a space look with just not the space colors. Step number 3. Draw your stars. Drawing the stars is the key point that makes the space hair or the space anything look like space. It's very important to use big stars, small stars, a variation of those stars, different shapes and forms, scattering them in different positions, in different constellations, duplicate them, make it the whole starry sky on top of the coloring in layer. It'd be a pretty cool effect. The Procreate is a great program because it allows you to use just the black color or any other just one color for the outline, and then it's very easy to modify or change that color of the outline in any other color. So it's pretty cool tool and very useful. Besides using the stars, you could use planets or other space elements. Besides those 3 points, that's it for this project. Just step 1, sketch your drawing, step 2, color in, and step 3, the stars. And that's it, you can do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.